Isaac! 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 Isaac, come here. Come here. Be fast and stop wasting my time. Come here. How many times did I call you?
3 times plus the other 3, that's 6.
Isaac! Why did you serve the driver? And you even gave the car to the mechanic to sell, Isaac. Why are you this heartless, Isaac? Why?
Feli, let me tell you. Number 1, that driver is not working. That driver is almost useless. We have just been paying that driver. He has nothing to offer.
I'm talking to you and you're sitting down, Isaac. Now stand up. You don't have respect for me anymore. Stand up. Stand up now! Rubbish! Can you imagine? I'm talking to you and you're sitting down. Now, Isaac, answer my question. Why did you give the car to the mechanic to sell?
Felicia, first of all, stop shouting my name like I killed someone. I am your blood, and you are complaining to me about mechanic or driver. See, that driver has not been working, and there is nothing we can do to sack him. I woke up this morning, I calculated all the money we have been paying that driver. 82,000 per month! 82,000 for just how many days? 31 days.
Isaac, is it your money?
He is not working.
Is it your money?
It's Uncle's money.
Thank God it's not your money. So why are you wicked and heartless to that innocent man?
You are forgetting something, that Uncle money will later become my money.
Better stop dreaming.
I am not dreaming.
You are a dreamer.
See, you know, of all the family, I am the only surviving son of our grandfather. I will inherit all these things. And let me tell you, that driver is not working. He hardly drives. He doesn't even drive me.
Isaac.
And you prefer to drive yourself.
Isaac, to cut the whole story short.
Very short.
To cut the whole drama to be short. Before I close my eyes and open, Isaac, go out there, make sure you come back with that car to this compound. If you do not come back with that car, do not come back to this house.
Is it that serious?
Oh, that's serious, not a warrior.
For ordinary driver.
Isaac, move!
See, I am suspecting you. I am suspecting you.
Better continue suspecting.
You and that driver.
Continue suspecting.
You and that driver.
Oh, Isaac, you are very wicked and heartless. Because you are not useful. Because you want to be useless to yourself. That's why you think every other person wants to be like you. You better be useful to yourself. Go out.
I know.
Isaac, get out.
I am not working. I am just collecting money from Uncle. It's my birthright.
And you are proud to say it.
Why should I?
You are proud to say it.
No, why should I?
You're not ashamed of yourself.
Why should I work?
At your age, Isaac, when I was at your age, I was very hardworking, of which you know. Look at you. Just take the look at you from head to toe, Isaac. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You and that driver.
If you like suspect anything, you can't bring that car.
You and that driver.
Go out! You can't bring that car back.
But why is the driver so important? I am your blood.
He is important because you are useless. You are useless. You don't want to be useful to yourself, Isaac.
I promise you one thing. When I take over all this plot, I will punish you.
You better stop dreaming. You better stop dreaming. I'll wake up from your dream. Better stop dreaming. Rubbish. Don't bring that car back and you see what I will do to you. Isaac. Why are you running? Sit down. Sit down. You're welcome. So how did it go? How did it go?
Go as in.
The car. Is it back?
Oh, the car. The car. You are still expecting the car.
For Christ's sake, I asked you, you're asking me if I'm still expecting the car. Is that a question or what?
And
how did it go, Isaac? Moreover, I didn't see you come with the car and it's not parked outside.
Actually, the car, not that I didn't come with the car. But I just didn't come with it.
Isaac, I don't understand what you're saying. What about what you're saying? Can you listen to what I'm saying?
I brought the car, but the car is not here.
Where is the car then?
When I went to meet the mechanic that we sold the car together, he took me to the man that we sold the car to. So the man took us to another man that we sold the car to. That one has already sold the car to another person that has sold the car to another person.
Isaac, if I hear him again, I will remove your intestines. Are you mad?
Is it that serious?
Where is the car, Isaac? And stop beating around the bush. Go straight to the point.
See, Felicia, you don't need that car. Eh? You can just tell Uncle to buy you another car. Very simple. He will buy you another car. You know you are Uncle's favorite. He likes you very much, and his children like you too. So if you tell Uncle you need a car, they will give. And you don't. That driver is not working. Consider with me. He's not working. They've already sold the car. They sold the car, and everybody keeps selling the car. You know Lagos.
Isaac, are you mad? You met the person that you sold the car to, and they took you to another person that they sold the car to, and they took you to another person. What kind of rubbish? I don't understand.
You need to understand.
Isaac, are you mad? Stop wasting my time, Isaac, and go straight to the point.
Okay, I will go straight to the point.
Better.
When we went to meet the person that we sold the car to, that sold the car to another person that sold the car to that person, they kept telling us that the car has already been sold because we sold it to a person that sold it to another person. Are you getting me? If this car is already sold, nobody can resell what has been sold to that person that wants to sell the car now.
In just one day, Isaac, and all these things are happening.
This is Lagos. The Lagos population is too much, and so many people have money in Lagos. You can buy a car today now and resell it here in Lagos. They will sell it to another person that will sell it to another person. It can happen in one day. We are in Lagos.
Isaac, shut up your mouth. If I hear beep, I said beep, I will remove the 32 teeth in your mouth.
I did not say beep.
You are still talking.
It's not beep.
Should I remove it? Now continue.
Can I talk?
You can talk.
As long as I don't say beep.
Yes.
Now, the person that bought the car last said he has painted the car to another color, and we were unable to identify the car. So we went to the police station to help us, so that the police can help us identify the car because they painted it another color. So police said we should bring money that it will be more easy and fast to discover where the car is. And the car must have even been in Ibadan. When they painted the car, it will be hard for us to identify it. Once they paint a car, you know how Lagos is now. Cars are too much.
The population in Lagos
It's too much. It's too much.
I'm even thinking maybe it has even got into a bell.
No, that is very. Now you are. When we traced it to one side in the, since they have painted the car, we don't need the car anymore. You understand? So to identify
no problem. Since you said I should give you some money to go and
yes, and you will need
send some money to your account.
You send me some money.
Yes.
Now you are talking like my. You know, if you send me some money now, I'll pay the police and they will look for the car on time.
Yes.
And don't worry about that driver. That driver is very brilliant. He's a graduate. He will get a job very soon.
Let's not talk about the driver. I'll send the money to your account.
You send it.
Yes.
Now you are talking like my sister.
I've always been your sister, just that you always be so stubborn sometimes.
I'm not stubborn. If I'm not stubborn, you will ride me now.
Please, I ordered for something. Dispatch with us.
No, I just came here. I didn't say like that.
No, are you not hearing the horn from outside?
Are you sure it is?
Yes. So just leave me with the key too. I will need it to open the door. When you are coming in, you know this door is automatic.
You are collecting the key. You don't.
I know now. I need it so when you are coming in, I'll open it so you don't knock and disturb me. Please let me bring the stuff.
But you will transfer the money.
I will send it to you.
No, we need to look for this. We can even forget about it.
No, we don't need to forget about it. I'll send the money to you.
Just send the money to me. 120,000.
I'll send 150 to you.
Yes.
Yes.
You are nice, oh.
I'll send 150.
The dispatch, is it full?
Don't just bring it. You will see what is inside. I'm hungry. Please.
And leave the driver. You know that driver is almost
Don't mind
useless.
them. Let us
They don't work.
Mind them. I'll send the money to say you go bring the car from Ekpe.
Let me not look for the car. You don't need to look for the car. Just send the money.
I will still send me.
Just send the money.
Yeah, please just let me to bring this stuff. God, I'm hungry.
Sorry. Now you are talking like my sister. my
brother.
My sister that I know. Oh. Where I will I reach the gate?
No, just outside now, be fast.
Just outside, Abi. Okay.
Idiots. Consumer Republic. You stay outside and see that you don't.